Alright fam, I just want y'all to see what I'm about to get myself into. Let's go. Hey. She handled that a lot better than I thought she was going to, fam. But look at this view though. Look at this beautiful view. Salute to all of the military families that are out there, those in the past, present, in the future. We appreciate your service very, very much. It's always humbling to come and see something like this, and just remember everybody that fought and died to keep America free and for us to be able to enjoy stuff like this. So we appreciate you guys very much. So if you got a military vet in your household, give them some love. And they got love from Yanto and Beyonce. Alright. Let's see if we can get off this here mountain. Alright. Clutch work. And now, the kind of hairy part, okay? This is kind of hairy because this daggone thing is it's a little steep. It's a little steep. Oh God. Thank you, Jesus. I was nervous, okay? I ain't gonna lie, I was nervous. Woo! What a gem. Let's go. Alright fam, we appreciate you guys coming along. That's going to do it for today's video. If this was your first time viewing this video or any of my videos, hit that sub button, hit the like, hit the share. Let's get this out here to everybody. Let's get out and enjoy the bikes. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.